Let's get to know the UVC Vitronic 18 and Vitronic 36 UV clarifiers. The numbers 18 and 36 refer to the wattages of the ultraviolet lamps inside. Water pumped through these clarifiers is exposed to a wavelength of ultraviolet light that stops microorganisms from reproducing, keeping water clear. Vitronic clarifiers can qualify for the UVC Clear Water Guarantee when combined with the proper pump and filter. The box has all pertinent information in English, French, and Spanish. Inside, documentation includes a manual, warranty, and safety information. The manual goes over what's included, the usual safety warnings, installation instructions, and maintenance procedures in 3 languages. The clarifier comes with the UV lamp separate to protect it from shipping damage. There are 2 hose clamps and 2 transparent stepped hose adapters with union nuts and flat seals that are both used when the UVC is connected in line, directly between the pump and the water feature. A cap is pre-installed to close off the unused outlet in inline applications. The transparent fittings allow the clarity of the water to be seen and adapt to 3 different sizes of tubing. Remember to cut off the unnecessary steps to maximize flow. The Vitronic can also mount onto BioSmart 5000 and BioSmart 10,000 pond filters. The 2 output ports on the Vitronic line up with the input ports on the BioSmart filters. The UVC can be mounted if desired. And that's everything you need to know about unboxing the UVC Vitronic 18 and Vitronic 36 ultraviolet clarifier, but we're afraid to ask. Next up, installing the Vitronic UVC clarifier. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.